voices ringing out our battle cries. Soon we'll be touched by the sky. Rising from the ashes, we will never die. Can you feel the power of our battle cry? Choice but to hold on, survive. Once the demons show, we take control, conquering the wildfire. My heart of courage is